Bonjour, welcome to week 4 of
Rolling round Europe in Rolly.
It's been another fun-filled week exploring the south of France. I know, sounds hard, eh? Okay, so quick update. We've found that they've actually lost our registration papers for Rolly, so we're having to wait for a duplication set. Oh well. In the meantime, we're making the most of it, exploring a bunch of different places, following the sun and seeing where the wind takes us. Check out a new animation that shows our journey this week and enjoy the video. Remember to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Here's our first view of the medieval city of Carcassonne. Here we are, just arriving at Carcassonne. The bells are ringing, 10 o'clock. You see those stripes on it. It's I don't know what that's for, but they seem to be clean, so they've obviously had some, maybe it's for anniversary or something. Well, we've made it to the Mediterranean. Sun is back. It's warmer. Claire's having a wander over there. We're in a place just south of Sète, S-E-T-E, Sète or Sète. Up in the distance on the hill there you can see Sète. Come down to the beach here, we just had lunch. Right Claire, is it nice to see the sea? To be beside the seaside?
Oh, it's awesome. It's warm, the sun is out, there's no wind, and the surf is splashing.
Splashing?
Oh, it's so nice.
So what is doing? Let's have a look and see it splashing. Not much of a surf, but yeah, there was a little bit of a few breakers over there. Flamingos in the wild, look at that. We're at some salt marshes just north of Sète, but up around this whole area there's lots of flamingos. So we stayed the night in Sète or Sète, S-E-T-E. It's probably supposed to be pronounced Sète. That's the first time I've seen flamingos in the wild. Yeah, these are a big set of salt marshes. You can see sticks all the way out there, dividing them up into little pools where they, I think, used to make salt here, but over here you'll see an old salt works that's been long since abandoned. And yeah, right in the middle of the salt works. You see this one fly and you see the colour of the flamingo. We'll come round for another turn just for us, for the camera. Here you go.
Oh, there's another one.
Here's another one coming in.
Oh, they swap inside.
Change, half time, change size, I said. And here we have the common pink flamingo in their natural habitat. Good morning everybody. Nice sunny day, a little bit breezy. We are on the first lock on the Canal du Midi, which goes from the Mediterranean through to the Atlantic Ocean. We stayed in a vineyard just outside Marseille, and this morning we've cycled along the canal to a place called Agde, A-G-D-E, and here comes Claire, and we stopped at this canal to have a bit of a gander. Bit of a breezy morning.
Breezy morning. It's going to be hard going back.
Lucky we've got the e-bike, so we'll be fine.
Yeah.
But
the wind has been at our back all the way.
All we need now is for a boat to come along and show us the lock in action, but I'm sure that won't happen. So where are we today, Claire?
I have no idea, honey, but we're in a really nice...
Clermont Le Herald. We're walking to the village called Villavenu. That's our story anyway. Pretty sure it's pronunciation.
We could be anywhere.
But beautiful spot. Walking through the vineyards. We're staying in a vineyard tonight. Free stop tonight. Just going to check out the village. It's supposed to be a 10 to 15 minute walk.
Nice sized house.
Found our accommodation for the night. Might have to fix the roof. We just started a walk to Cirque de Maury, I think, something like that. Getting up to a medieval village and really steep limestone cliff, and there's this little old house ruins. This is our first vista of the village of Maury. Hello Claire.
Hey,
How you going?
good.
Beautiful day.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely sunny day. Oh, I'm quite glad we didn't have too much of breakfast this morning. Look at this. See if we can sneak through here.
Where are you going?
Oh, it gets pretty tight. How do we do this? There we go. Through to the other side. Now, Claire, you alright?
I don't mind you doing it.
No problems. This climb continues to be very steep and narrow. Check this out, little steps all the way up. So this is a little offshoot to the Cirque de Maurice track, and this is a place called Belvedere. It's got a good view apparently. So we're going to carry on up here and see where we get to. Not made for big people, made for skinny people. Belvedere, there you go. Yeah, okay, it was worth the climb, look at that. Pan around here to the village of Maurice. Some absolutely stunning views today. This is a lovely walk. Cirque de Maurice with a side trip off to the Belvedere, which is one of the towers we went up, and we'll be heading back to the village of Maurice shortly. Okay, we made it into the village. Let's see what's here. The village of Maurice. Rue de Fou. Sculpture and ceramicist. Yeah. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's the cathedral or church. Good morning everyone, we're in the town of Bedarou Bidaru. And this is a viaduct, an old viaduct. We're just trying to work out how to get up onto it. We're out for a morning walk this morning. How you going, Claire? Look at all the graffiti. We've got a bit of artwork in the background here. We're in the little river. There's an old bridge up there as well. And yeah, an old viaduct. Looks pretty old. We'll try and work out how we can get up to it. Unfortunately, the only view I can see is through this, through this big wall. This is the top of the viaduct, built in 1853 apparently.